Hi, and welcome to a video showing you how to save custom toolbars. If you go to View, Customize, in any one of our products, your toolbar manager appears. If I click on any button, it highlights that button. You can drag and drop buttons around. So if you customize your toolbar, you can add toolbars. You can go to Export, and what I like to do is save it on my C drive, EasyCam W, create a custom folder. That way this folder will never get overwritten when you install software, EasyCam software over again. And then you will name the file name it whatever you'd like, hit save. Then you will go to your Windows Explorer with EasyCam closed. You go to your Windows Explorer, double click the file that you've saved. That'll store it to the registry. And then when you open up EasyCam or you've installed a new copy of EasyCam, you double click on the button. When you open up EasyCam again, all of your toolbars will be in place.